If one root of the equation 4x square minus 13x plus k is equal to 0 is 12 times the other, find out k. Now, let's assume the root as alpha. So therefore, the other root will be 12 times, that is 12 alpha. So these are the two roots we have. So sum of roots will become alpha plus 12 alpha, that is 13 alpha. Now, as per definition of sum of roots from the quadratic equation, we have it as minus b upon a. Now, if we compare the given quadratic equation with the standard form, we get a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 13, and c is equal to k. So if we substitute minus 13 in the formula, we will have here minus of minus 13 upon 4. So we have 13 alpha is equal to 13 upon 4. So therefore, we get alpha is equal to 1 upon 4. So one root is 1 upon 4 and the other root is 12 alpha. So therefore, 12 multiplied by 1 upon 4, that is 3. Now we have the product of roots as c upon a. So as per definition, it will become k upon 4. Now if we substitute the roots as 1 upon 4 and 3, the product of roots will become 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4. So 4 will get cancelled out and we will get the value of k as 3. So that's our answer.